Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Tejas Dodamani, basically from Solapur, Maharashtra. I completed my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering in September 2022. After that, I start finding the job in IT fields, and then I get to know about the Evision Technoserve 45 days internship program. In that 45 days internship program, I get to learn about the networking part, CCNA, ITIL, and cybersecurity and Windows administration. And just after the completion of 45 days internship program, finally I get placed into the two companies. One is the AMNS Steels, and second one is the EXL. The payroll company is the WIPRO with the package of 2.8 LPA. And I deeply thank you for all the Evision Technoserve teams and placement teams and teaching staffs for their effort behind my placements. And I highly recommended the Evision Technoserve to all the freshers and all the candidates who wanted to make the career in IT fields. And thank you so much, Evision Technoserve. Thank you.